What's up, everybody? We are going to hike to a few waterfalls right now, and we're gonna get some cool views. Yeah, we're right by the lava rock that we hiked a few videos ago. It's right over there.
It's right that way.
So we're on the Deschutes River right now, right by it. It's right here.
It just looks pretty cool.
Waterfalls over there. It's more downstream. We're gonna head over there.
All right, so apparently the spot behind us, this thing right here, apparently that's the waterfall. It's not really what we were expecting.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go see some other ones, so it's still gonna be cool. All right, so now we're going to Benham Falls. I don't even realize. Anyway, the waterfall we just saw, it was all right. But now we're going to Benham Falls, and hopefully it's cooler.
Yeah.
All right, so we think the water behind us is the waterfall. It's kind of small. Once again, not what we were expecting, just like the last one.
Yeah.
We're pretty sure this is it though.
Hey, but we love the area we're in.
Of course we do.
I don't know, it's still cool. I got some cool long exposures.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fun. So this is a little bit better of a waterfall. Yeah. There's not really a great viewpoint. I mean, this is the best one we can get.
I'm pretty sure this isn't Benham Falls though.
It's hard to get super rare pictures of it because we can't really go down there. Yeah.
This whole trail that we're walking on,
It's just ice.
it's literally covered with ice. So you've just been hanging onto this railing right here just to make sure we don't fall.
I've almost slipped, but I didn't slip, so.
All right, so it's the next
All
day. Whatever. I don't even realize. But so yesterday we saw those two waterfalls. They're more like just river rapids, but today we're hoping to see a better waterfall. It's called Cline Falls.
It's a new day. Well, just
Already said
the
that.
next day, yeah.
But we hope it's cool. Alright, so we made it to the waterfall, and it's an actual waterfall. Unlike yesterday. I don't know, this one's actually really cool. We're enjoying it right now.
We love the area we're in. Look, beautiful waterfall, it's a beautiful day. What's not to like about it? It's just nice. right? Just to let you know, it's 22 degrees out. And yeah, you know, we're smart, right? We're very smart. It's weird. We got 2 coats on, sweatshirt and then this thing. We got gloves on, but then just shorts.
And this morning it was 6 degrees.
Oh yeah, we just stood out there and enjoyed the cold.
And we were standing outside with just the shorts on.
Yeah, just kind of enjoying it.
It's nice.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more adventures. Follow us on Instagram. The link will be in the description.
We saw a cool waterfall today.
Yeah.
The waterfalls yesterday, they were basically just river rapids. But this one today, it's a really cool waterfall. I enjoyed it.
Well, it's Brady
and Peyton,
and we're out.
I want the world, yeah, I want the world, yeah, I want it all. Said I want the world, yeah, I want the world. I'm coming to get it. Don't care what you heard, don't care what